Good morning, dear students. Myself, Manisha Desai, and I welcome you all to the online lectures arranged by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. How are you all? Hello, students. How are you?
Yes.
Okay. Today, I am doing some actions. All of you watch it and watch it carefully. Huh? Okay. And do it as I do. Okay. You are ready? Ready for actions? Students? All of you ready for actions? Okay. Let's start.
Yes.
Do as I do. Watch it and do as I do. Fast, fast. Reverse. Okay. Did you enjoy these actions? Students, did you enjoy these actions? Say yes or no. Okay. Now, tell me what is this. Okay. I will show you something. See. What is this? What is this?
Apple.
An apple. Very good. Okay. Now, I have some another things. What
Banana.
is this? Banana. Very good. Okay. What is this?
Orange.
Orange. You like orange?
Yes.
Okay. So, these fruits are apple, banana, orange. Okay. It is a fruit and it is very important for our health. Okay. And one very popular line. An apple a day keeps doctor away. So every day you eat fruits. Okay. Just like fruit, vegetables are also important for our health. Okay. Vegetables, we get vitamins and energy from vegetables. And we also use it in our daily diet. Mama used all vegetables. Okay. And you like it. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to our today's topic. And today our subject is play, do, learn. And we are going to learn kitchen gardening. Okay. Let's identify different fruits and vegetables. For that, I will share my screen. Let's see. Welcome to Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Education Department. Our today's subject is play, do, learn, and topic is kitchen gardening. See, here one vegetable.
Onion.
Onions. Okay. So here we have how onions growth stages, different stages. Okay, and you see here we have some seeds. Okay, so onion is one of the most widely grown vegetables. It has many health benefits. It is round in shape. Okay, next. What is this? What is this? What is this? You like it? This vegetable? What is this?
Brinjal.
Yes, this is brinjal. We also call it eggplant. It is dark purple in color. It has many seeds inside. See, you can see here seeds inside. Can you see?
See.
Seeds, okay? And we also call it eggplant, brinjal or eggplant, okay? And here, eggplant means brinjal plant growth. Here we can see different stages of eggplant growth. See here, how can eggplant growth? Okay, eggplant means what? Brinjal. Okay, next. Yeah. What is this?
Lady finger.
Yeah. This is lady finger. And we also call it okra. Okra. It is green in color. Okay. See this. It is green. Okay. And it is long and has shape like a lady's finger. This vegetable also has many seeds. See here, we can see many seeds inside. This vegetable also has many seeds. Okay, next is, okay, what is this?
Radish.
Radish. Yes, and tell me spelling of radish. Yes. Radish. Very good. So, radish is long and has two colors. Okay. See, which color is there?
White.
White and
Red.
another picture. Okay, red color. Okay. It is long and has white or red color. They grow quickly and take very little space. You can grow them in a container near window, near our kitchen. Okay? Near kitchen, near window, in container, we can grow them. And we can use it in salad also. Okay. Next vegetable is?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. And you can see here, it is leafy. See here, so many leaves, leafy vegetable. Okay. And what is it? What is its shape? Shape.
Circle.
Shape.
Circle.
Circle. Okay, yes. Very good. It has a round shape. Very good. And like a football. Round shape like a football. It grows quickly and can be grown at home, near our kitchen. We can grow it. And here also, below this picture, we can see how it grows. Different stages. Can you see? Different stages of cabbage. How can it grows? You like cabbage? Okay, next. Yeah, this is very tasty and yummy vegetables. Okay, so it is, what is this? What is this? This vegetable's name is? This is cucumber. This is cucumber. Okay, and it has long pipe like shape and has green color. It has lots of vitamin C, and most part of cucumber is made of water. Okay, in summer season we use very most cucumber because is made of water. Most part of cucumber is made of water. Is veggie has many seeds. Can you see here many seeds? See
Yes.
here and here. Below this picture, we have different stages of cucumber. How can it grow? Okay. We use it in salad and in sandwiches. Okay. Yes, this is, do you know which vegetable is this?
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd. And its color is?
Green.
It's
Green.
green. Very good. Okay. And as the name says, bitter gourd, this vegetable has a bitter taste and has a shape similar to cucumber. Long pipe-like shape. Okay. Can you see? Okay, next is
Peas.
yes, peas.
Green peas.
Green peas. We can use it in
Peas.
pav bhaji, pulao. Okay. So peas is a what is the color of peas?
Green.
Green peas. Very good. Peas are small, round, and green color vegetables. They are high in protein, high protein itself, and full of vitamins. It takes around 2-3 months to grow the pea plant. Here we can see pea plant. How can it grow? Different stages. See here, seed of peas. And how can it grows? Okay, now move to our next vegetables. Oh, What is this?
Capsicum.
Capsicum. We also call it bell pepper. Okay. And it is in 3 colors. Which color?
Green,
Green,
yellow, red.
yellow, red. Green, yellow, and red. We also call it bell pepper. And can you tell me what is the spelling of capsicum? What is the spelling of caps? Yes.
CAPSICUM.
No. This is bell pepper. Capsicum spelling is CAPSICUM. Okay. We can call it bell pepper also. Okay. Okay. And here we can see different stages of capsicum growth. How can it grow? And its seed. See. This is capsicum seed. Can you see? Seed of capsicum.
Yes.
It has many seeds. See this in picture. It has many seeds. Okay. We can also use in sandwiches and making a sabji for curry. Okay. What is this? Corn. And corn. Okay. It is also called as maize. Maize. And what is the spelling of corn?
CORN. Corn.
CORN. Corn. Good. Corn. And what is the color of corn?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes.
Yellow.
And corn has many health benefits. And you like popcorn? You like popcorn?
Yes.
Oh, so
Yes.
we make popcorn from this vegetable. See here, corn seed. Corn seed. So many seeds, okay?
भुट्टे के बीज में जो बीज रहते हैं.
Yes. This is very, yes, tomato. And what is shape of tomato? What is the shape of tomato?
Circle.
Yes, circle. Very good. It has round shape and has color. What is the color of tomato? Red. It has red color. And yes, okay. And it has many seeds. See here, it has many seeds in it. We use it in salad, sandwich, as well as for preparing vegetable curry. Okay. Here are some pictures of tomato. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now your next it is fruits.
Apple, banana.
Apple and banana. Very good.
And banana.
Yes.
Banana.
Do you like apple?
Yes, I like apple.
Yeah. And it is a crunchy and sweet taste. It has lots of vitamins and minerals in it. Okay. And I told you, all famous line on apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Apple is very lots of vitamins and minerals in it. And below the apple, which fruit is this? Below the apple?
Banana.
Banana. Banana. Okay, very good. And these are seeds of banana. Okay. And what is the spelling of banana?
B-A-N-A, banana.
Very good.
B-A-N-A, banana.
Good. Yes. Okay. Now, next. Yes. This is. What is this?
Grapes and pineapple.
Grapes and pineapple. Okay. And what is the shape of grapes?
Circle.
Yes, round, small round fruits. Okay. And they came in different colors. Which color? Here we can see green color and red color and purple color. Okay.
Red, purple, or black.
And green. Okay. Grapes are mainly used for making juices and jam. You like jam?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. So, grapes are mainly used for making juices and grapes. And below the grapes, we can see here another fruit, and it is pineapple. And tell me the spelling of pineapple.
Pineapple.
Very good. Yes, they are hard and pointy from outside. Pineapple is hard and pointy from outside, but it has a sweet taste from inside. What is the color inside? Inside the color is
Yellow.
yellow and mostly used in making juices. Okay. Now next fruit is
Orange.
yes, pear and orange. See here, we can see seed of pear. Many seeds. Okay. And
Two seeds.
yes.
Two seeds.
Yeah. So many seeds. Okay. Yes. And it has shape of teardrop and mostly of green, red or yellow.
Two seeds.
You like pear?
Yes.
Okay. And below the pear, we have fruit orange. See here, so many seeds.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And oranges are, what is the shape of oranges?
Circle.
Circle. Okay. Oranges are round. You can say it. Oranges are round. And what is the color of oranges?
Orange.
Yeah, orange colored fruit that grows on trees. And they have, what is the taste of orange? You know?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yes, yes. Sweet and sour.
Sweet
And
sour taste.
okay. And it also has many vitamins. We can use in juice. Okay. Now, give me answer about this. Okay. Name the vegetables and fruit. What is this first vegetable?
Brinjal.
Peas. Green peas. Very good. Okay, below the peas.
Pineapple.
Below the peas.
Banana.
Yes. Banana. Watch it carefully, beta. Banana. Very good. And this side, one more vegetable.
Brinjal.
Brinjal. Okay. And we can also call it
Onion.
eggplant. Okay. And it is, what is the color of brinjal?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Yes. And below the purple, below the brinjal, we have one more vegetable. What is this? Onion. Onion. Okay. It is in round shape. It is in round shape. Okay. Did you all understood about fruits and vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, now give me one more answer. Yes. Match the vegetables and fruits. Here in first part we have some fruits and vegetables, and in second part we have names. So match it with, okay? First vegetables is, what is this?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. So join it with its name. On which line? First, second, third, fourth?
Two.
Two. Very good. So join with two. Very good. Okay. Below the cucumber, one more fruit is there.
Grape.
Grape. And we can join with number?
Four.
4. Okay. In 3, it is reddish, beta. We can join with number 4. See here. Spelling of grapes. Grapes. What is the spelling of grapes?
G.
Yes.
R-A-P-S.
P-E-S. Very good. Okay. And below the grapes, one more vegetable.
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger. And we can join it with number on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Yes. We can join it with number 1. Okay. And last one. Last vegetable.
Radish.
Radish. And join it with 3. Number 3. Very good. Okay. Now last one. Huh? Identify the right riddles.
Manisha teacher. Manisha
Yes.
teacher.
Yes.
Take next, because we have only 5 minutes to conclude.
Okay.
Take this slide. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, riddles is, I am a red and have seeds, and I am also round sliced up in salads. Is where I can be found?
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. Okay. Next is, the fruit is made by joining two words. The first part of it is also a tree. The second part is a different fruit. It is yellow from inside. I told you which fruit is yellow from inside. Okay, I tell you, pineapple. Okay. Take a screenshot and do it home only. Okay. And third is, I am orange and long and I come in a bunch. I can be in a juice or be eaten at lunch. What is long? And salad and juice? Carrot. Okay, carrot. Okay. And last one is, I am a vegetable and I am available in various colors. I shape like a bell. I told you one. Capsicum. Very good. Okay. Now your homework time. Draw any 3 fruits and vegetables, whichever you like, and color it and send it to our group. Okay? Did you enjoy our lesson?
Yes.
You
Yes.
like it? Then like and subscribe our channel.